Papa.
Hi, mate.
You know why I went today? It was a fun day in school.
A fun day in school? What
Yeah.
did you do?
There's lots of crafts.
Oh, like arts and craft?
And you know what I've seen?
What did you do? Or did you do any art or anything like that?
No, crafts.
Craft? What did you do? Did you make something?
Superhero crafts.
Superhero?
And you know what I've seen?
Mummy said, do you know what I've seen?
Bouncy castle.
A bouncy castle!
Did you go in it?
Yeah, I had vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce and sprinkles on. But I
Did you need to buy you were on the bouncy castle because it was all over your face?
No, it's only a little bit here on the
I seen
side.
chocolate sauce. No, I think maybe you're bouncing on the bouncy castle. Ooh, 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 ooh.
No, I didn't. I was on the table and it went everywhere. Also on the coat.
Did you have any dinner?
Yeah, I had roast dinner.
Roast dinner Thursday?
Yes.
How was it? What was the meat?
Let me think.
Not my favorite.
Pork.
Lamb.
No, gammon.
Gammon?
Come on. Come on.
You said that's not his favourite though. What's your favourite meat?
Chicken.
Chicken, I think.
Chicken and a cock.
Daddy, what's the sound of chicken? What sound does the chicken make?
The rooster.
That's a good one. This is my chicken version. What's your chicken version, Papa? What's your version, Papa?
Quack, quack.
That's a duck.
It's a duck.
I used to be a chicken, but I'm a duck now.
What? No, like this.
Can we do that? Do that replay?
Replay.
Quack, quack.
No,
what
Papa,
about
that's
Teddie?
a duck.
What about Teddy?
Boom, boom.
You want mine again?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No, mine is better.
Listen. The dogs are joining in next door barking.
The dogs are helping me because I'm a chicken.
Yeah, me too. That's a rooster. This is the hen.
That's a hen. Oh, you know what's an egg?
What's an egg?
Boom, boom, boom.
Teddy, where does the chicken come from?
Egg.
Where does the egg come from?
Ten.
Where does the egg come from?
Chicken.
Who lays eggs?
Hens.
So which come first, chicken or egg? Chicken. So overall,
Yeah, again.
Ted,
Yeah, again.
Ted, overall, did you have fun in school today?
Good, because I do bouncy castles. But you also has.
Was it a big bouncy castle?
Yes.
Did you have a slide up?
No,
Or just a bouncy castle?
it's a bouncy.
Is there also a pool?
Yes.
Was it?
Yeah. But
Did anyone go in it?
no, I just only went for a little bit.
Inside the pool?
One pool.
Is the water cold?
No, warm.
Warm. Whoa.
And a bit colder, and a bit colder.
Just a little bit cold and warm.
Ba, 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 ba,
Say bye-bye na.
ba.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, 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 bye.
Have fun and be happy.
Bye, bye, bye.